Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious muffins. First, let's gather our dry ingredients. In a large bowl, combine 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Whisk these together thoroughly to ensure even distribution. This step is crucial for a consistent texture in your finished muffins. Next, we'll prepare our wet ingredients. In a separate medium bowl, whisk together 1 large egg, 1 cup of milk, and 1/4 cup of melted butter or vegetable oil. Ensure these are well combined before moving on. The liquid components provide the necessary moisture and structure for your muffins, so a good mix here is important for a tender crumb. Now it's time to combine everything. Pour the wet ingredients into the dry mixture. Gently fold them together using a spatula until just combined. It's very important not to overmix, as this can lead to tough muffins. Stir in about 1 cup of your favorite add-ins, like fresh berries or chocolate chips. Then, fill your muffin liners about 2/3 full. Finally, let's bake these delicious treats. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the muffins for 18 to 20 minutes, or until they are golden brown and a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Once baked, let them cool in the pan for a few minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. Enjoy your homemade muffins.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.